take me from the dark. Your arms, they keep me steady, so nothing can fall apart. And I will find my strength to until my mouth when I used to be afraid of the words. But with you I've learned just to let it out. Now my heart is ready to burst. 'Cause I feel like I'm ready for love. And I wanna be your everything and more. And I know every day you say it, but I just want you to be sure that I am yours. That I am yours.
Well done, Sienna. Well done. Louise, what would you like to say?
Sienna, I think that was a massive step up from week one, for sure. It was a much more controlled vocal, and I know like we worked on it in the week, and it definitely shows that you've really worked on the song and controlling your voice. I still think obviously you've got further to go in terms of progressing and working on your voice, and you've just got to have a bit more confidence in yourself, because you can hear like the nervousness in your voice. So have a bit more confidence in yourself. But the changes that you made were lovely, and you just kind of made it more Sienna's version of the song, rather than Ella Henderson. It is Ella Henderson, isn't it? Yeah. So a big well done for that. And yeah, going forward, I think just have more confidence in yourself. Don't be afraid to try different things. Come to us for advice like you have done this week, and we will continue to work with you and push you to full potential. But well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, compared to the first recording that you sent, that was just such a massive step up from that. It was more controlled. Your breathing was better. I do think that the biggest issue for you is believing in the fact that you've got a voice. And I think once you sort of get that belief in yourself, the voice will start to come along with it. But I mean, considering you haven't done this before, you're just stepping into it, it's not a huge issue, because it's something that you'll learn now, especially with this process. The more experience you have, the more you put yourself out there, the more you challenge yourself by taking on songs that you wouldn't normally take on, by changing them up and making them more unique to you. So the more you learn, the more that belief will come. So it's not a great issue. So but I really thought that you really did step it up. You've taken everything on board. You've listened. You've proved that you're willing to put in everything it takes to get where you want to be. And I thought I've got to just commend you for that. Fantastic. Well done.
Yeah, Sienna, it was definitely an improvement from last week, from the audition. But again, this is all fresh and this is all new to you. And sometimes when people, well, majority of times, when people are new to it all, they don't understand fully what they're capable of. They don't understand where they want to go, what to do, what songs to do. So don't be frightened to ask questions and ask us for advice and things, because I can see this is completely fresh to you. And I can tell that by your voice, because I can hear in your voice where you're not fully using your voice to the full potential. And I can hear in some places in your mind, it's almost like you're telling yourself, oh, am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? Am I doing this not right? Am I doing that? And the worst thing you can do by doing that is that when you're doing it, it's going to put faults in your voice then. It's going to bring faults into the sound. And that's what we're hearing at the moment. There's places where it's like, oh, hang on now. This is actually a very easy song to sing. It's a very easy song. It's not a difficult song. But I'm glad you've done that, because it really goes to show what needs to be done. And that's what this song have allowed me to see, that is something I've picked up on, is that you do need to start, because before you can go further with this, you need to kind of sit there at home and tell yourself, I'm going to give this everything. I'm going to put my all into this. And believe that you can do that, because you're not here for fun or anything. You're here because you want to sing. That's something you enjoy doing. So if you want to do that, listen to that. That's the first thing you need to do, is say to yourself, I'm going to push myself to the fullest, and then go from there. But other than that, well done.